How much does it cost to rent an RV in the US? The average RV rental costs $184 per night, based on our nationwide annual survey. That figure is the base rate only and excludes additional rental costs. In this video, we break down RV rental prices by motorhome and trailer type. We then compare average rental rates across major US cities and reveal what a one-week rental will cost. Next, we uncover common hidden fees renters often miss. You will also learn ways to save money on your RV rental and discover whether RV rentals are cheaper than hotels. First, here's why you can rely on our RV rental and travel advice.
Hi there, I'm David Kosofsky, the founder of Go RV Rentals. I've been RVing for over 25 years, traveling across Canada and all 50 US states. I've seen and done some amazing things, including visiting dozens of state and national parks along the way. I built Go RV Rentals to make it easy for you to experience that same freedom and adventure. With over 34,000 RVs for rent across the US and Canada, we help you find the perfect camper for your next getaway. From how-to guides and rental tips to travel destinations and RV reviews, we've got everything you need to go your own way. I think you're going to really enjoy this one.
What's the RV rental base rate versus the actual cost? The base rate is simply the advertised nightly price you see on a listing. It rarely reflects what you actually pay. The final cost often climbs 50% or more due to various additional fees, like mileage overages, required insurance, local taxes, cleaning fees, and prep charges. How much does it cost to rent each type of motorhome? Class A RVs average $313 per night. They are large drivable units that resemble buses. Budget models start near $135, while luxury rigs can exceed $1,000 a night. Class B RVs, known as camper vans, average $228 per night. Minivans start around $80, with high-end van builds reaching $650 or more. Class Cs average $214 per night. They are mid-size RVs featuring a bunk over the cab. Entry models start near $100, while luxury Super Cs reach about $650. What is the average cost to rent towable RVs? Travel trailers average $113 per night. They are box-shaped campers that hitch to the rear of a tow vehicle. Budget options start near $50, while premium models like Airstreams often exceed $400. Fifth wheels are large towables averaging $168 per night. They connect to a special hitch mounted in a truck bed. Lower-end models start around $90, with high-end options going up to $400. Toy haulers average $143 per night. They feature a rear garage for carrying ATVs, motorcycles, and other gear. Budget models start near $80, while premium versions can exceed $350. Pop-up campers, also called tent trailers, are the most affordable RVs, averaging $90 per night. Rates start around $40, with larger, upgraded models reaching $150. Truck campers, also called pickup campers, average $110 per night. They aren't towable. Instead, they sit directly on a pickup truck bed. Budget options start near $70, while custom overlanding rigs can hit $500. What are the most expensive cities to rent an RV in the US? Houston at $198 per night, followed by Austin $197. Seattle and San Francisco average $193, Dallas $192, and Denver $191. What are the cheapest cities to rent an RV in the US? Tampa tops the list at $164 per night, followed by Phoenix $166, San Diego $167, and Los Angeles $171. Orlando averages $176, with Portland and Salt Lake City both at $179 per night. How much does it cost to rent an RV in Canada? $189 Canadian dollars or $137 US dollars per night. In major cities, rates are $205 Canadian dollars in Toronto, $181 in Montreal, $187 in Vancouver, and $184 Canadian dollars in Calgary. What hidden RV rental fees should you watch for? Many rentals include extra fees in the listing or at checkout. Common charges include cleaning fees starting at $100 if the RV isn't returned clean, extra mileage fees of around $0.35 per mile over the included allowance, preparation fees up to $100, generator use at $3.50 per hour, and one-time pet fees starting at $50. Some fees are standard or mandatory across most rentals. These include a 5 to 20% rental platform service charge, 0 to 14% local taxes, and daily liability insurance from $15 to $100. Renters also typically pay a refundable security deposit ranging from $500 to $3,000. Other fees are penalties for not following the owner's rules. These can include smoking fees up to $1,000, late return fees of $300 plus the hourly rental rate, and waste dumping fees up to $200. Fuel refill penalties can be $100 plus the cost of fuel and propane refills from $50. Lastly, some fees come from optional add-ons that renters can choose from the owner. These include outdoor gear at $5 to $50 per item, a linen kit or kitchenware set for $50, Wi-Fi from $5 daily, and RV delivery service at $0.4 per mile. What other costs should you consider when renting an RV? Fuel is a major expense. Small RVs cost about $200 per 1,000 miles, while large rigs can reach $500 per 1,000 miles. Campsite fees vary from $20 to $40 for public campgrounds, $60 to $100 for private RV parks, and $100 to $250 for luxury resorts. Dispersed camping is usually free. RV parks may also have hidden fees, including reservation deposits, resort taxes, coin-operated showers, early check-in fees, or separate rates for extra cars, people, or pets. Other RV trip costs to consider include food, recreation, parking, RV washes, propane, firewood, laundry, and internet. What's the total cost to rent an RV for a week? Using a daily rental rate of $184 plus an owner prep fee of $100, rental insurance at $245, a 20% service fee of $327, and 10% taxes at $196, the total comes to about $2,156. This excludes the refundable security deposit and assumes no extra add-ons, free mileage use, and no rule violations. Adding fuel, food, propane, campground fees, entertainment, and parking brings a one-week trip to roughly $3,000. Cheaper RVs can keep costs under $2,000, while luxury rentals can push totals above $4,000. What factors influence RV rental costs? The RV's age, type, and size, as well as rental location and season. Other factors include the rental company, total miles driven, rental duration, optional add-ons, and extra services like RV delivery and setup. What are the best ways to save money when renting an RV? Rent months in advance or during the off-season. Watch for discounts, such as 10% off weekly or 20% off monthly rentals. Choose RVs with unlimited mileage and free gear included, and steer clear of units with excessive fees. Follow the owner's rules to prevent penalties, and consider cheaper options like pop-up campers or travel trailers. Plus, our platform GoRVRentals.com often has discounts to help you save even more. How much does a hotel trip cost compared to an RV trip? A group of 4 staying in a budget hotel at $200 per night and renting a car for $75 per day can expect to spend around $4,000 per week, including food, fuel, and entertainment. By comparison, an RV trip is cheaper, roughly $3,000 per week for a mid-size Class C motorhome, or $2,000 per week for a small minivan, travel trailer, or pop-up camper. Wrapping up, renting an RV can deliver savings, flexibility, and adventure over traditional hotels, but only if you shop smart. Compare prices, double-check listings for hidden fees, and look for discounts to maximize value and avoid unexpected costs. For more details on the cost to rent an RV, check out our detailed guide linked in the description.
Thanks for watching. Visit GoRVRentals.com for RV tips, guides, and over 34,000 RVs for rent across the US and Canada. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share. And remember, your adventure starts now. Go for it.